What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Doing some errands. I actually just got back from riding all over the Bay Area. So basically went from Sacramento all the way to San Francisco, and then San Jose and San Mateo. And it's just errands, man. So my cousin just got his first, well, technically second, but his first real bike that he's gonna be riding. So he's still kind of new. He got the Harley Sportster S. That's like the new modern Harley Davidson. So they took the Sportster line and they put the 1250 engine from the Panamera in it. And it's like tuned differently, I heard, or something, from while they were walking him through the bike and stuff. It looks pretty cool. Reminds me of my V-Rod. You know how, not really like a V-Rod, but like reminds me of how what do you call this, modern it was for the time. And it was like, it's, you know, it's completely different from other Harleys, so it's like really modern. It looks like a really modern motorcycle. That's pretty cool. Actually, it's a really nice quality bike. It comes with like heated grips, cruise control. Yeah, I can't recall what he paid. It's like something, I think it's almost 19 or something, maybe. But you know, well, I paid almost 19, I think, or 18. I think 18 for my Street Bob at the time. My Night Rod Special was even more. So in terms of in relation to that, I guess it's an okay price, I suppose. A Harley price. I still miss my Street Bob though. I think that's the only Harley that I like really like, because I think something about the Street Bob is like the sport bike of Harleys. I don't know, in my mind. You can actually customize it to however you want it to be. You can make it like a cruiser, like a real cruiser, like, you know, just like with higher bars and stuff like that. Or you can make it a sport bike. You can, you know, change the front end of it. You can modify every single part of that bike. That's kind of like why I like the Dyna. The Dyna line is like, I really like that model range. You know, if I was gonna get another Harley, I'll get a Dyna, which I've been thinking about lately. I started the YouTube channel with my Dyna Street Bob back in 2015. So 2015, when I kind of tried making YouTube videos, and it was the Dyna Street Bob. That was the bike. So I think I would set it up tall again, so you know, it goes into corners easily. It doesn't scrape as much. But there's like a lot more parts now. When I looked, there's a lot more parts now that you can do to the Dyna. So how you guys doing today? Oh, Saturday. It's getting warmer. 76. It was 70s in the Bay also. Right now I'm in Sacramento. It's Elk Grove actually. It's 76, almost the same. So it's getting warmer in February. It's crazy. So I gotta break out my summer gear. So this video, I'm not sure if I'm even gonna upload this one. I just feel like turning on the camera and talking. What else has been going on? Oh, I did pick up another bike. It's nothing crazy, just something easier to throw down at the track. So I'll upload this video and I'll make another video about that one. So on this video, you guys can make a comment and take a guess what it could be. Unless you follow me, then you would have known what it is on Instagram and stuff. Not very active on Instagram. It's just I'm really bad on social media. I just I don't really know. Just sometimes I just want to disconnect, you know, just kind of unplug. So YouTube thing is keeps making me go back, and it's like a love and hate relationship with it. It's kind of fun to upload, make videos and upload. It feels like, oh, I did something, but at the same time it's like, why am I doing this? Alright guys, stay tuned for that next video. Let me know your guesses as to what the that bike that I picked up. I'm curious what you guys will guess, because I've pretty much gotten a lot of motorcycles throughout just the span of when I started the channel to now. I've gotten so many bikes. It's just yeah. I've been getting a lot of bikes, and then I started the channel, so it's like not everything is in the channel. So it's just, you know, I actually don't know how many bikes I've bought already at this point. I have to actually think about it and count. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.